Good morning, guys. How are you doing? I hope you're having a good day. I miss you. I'd much rather be at school with you than here at home, but in the meantime, we're going to make the best of it. You should have the Say It with DNA protein synthesis worksheet. This first page is just information, and also too, so you see, oops, sorry, let me get the pen started. There we go. This first column, that's the tRNA. This column here is the amino acid. This third column is just a letter that the people who made this activity assigned to it so that we can make some sentences with this. I think if we're making sentences, it'll be easier to see if you're doing it correct or incorrect. If you get a sentence in English that makes sense or doesn't make sense. Oh my word, there's dogs barking outside. We don't have a dog, but I don't know what they're doing. Sorry. But it'll be easier to see if you're doing it right or wrong based on that. So let's go to the next page here. Chart. So let's see here. It's not this first one because those all start with A. C, U, A. Here it is. So the amino acid is ASP, and the letter that they assigned it is D. Just a second. If it leads you to a dash, like right here, that's a space. So that's just a space between words. So looking at this top part, I'm going to zoom in. This is kind of like what we did with the notes the other day. So it's nice. They've divided them all. You're going to take this top DNA line. You're going to transcribe it into mRNA. So G, A, U. A, U. All right, you're going to do that the whole way across. You're going to do all of it. Then you're going to take this mRNA strand and translate it into the tRNA. So C, U, A. I'm going off of the one right above it. All right, so U goes with A goes with U. So for each of these, use the one right above it. Then you're going to take the tRNA after you've done all of it. So we'll start here, CUA. That's this one right here. CUA. I'm going to go back a page and use, so right here I'm going to write ASP, and the letter that they gave it is D. So you're going to work your way through with this chart, with these sentences. You will get a nice little sentence in English here. So if you have a sentence that doesn't make sense or doesn't have real words in it, you probably want to go back and check it. So this is something we're just spending the time practicing. If it's a little, let me go back. So zooming back out, you're going to do number 1. You're going to do number 2. You're going to do number 3. I realize this kind of takes a little bit, but again, I just really want you to have the practice. Then the next page, part B, I would like you to do this sentence here. This one here has a mutation in it. So you're going to find the sentence, but you're going to find out, hey, what's different about it? Then there's some questions to ask about mutations. You know, what kind of mutation is it? How is it different? Part C, you may skip. You may do it if you want to, I guess, but really, yeah, it would be making a sentence and then transcribing it backwards into the amino acids and then the sequence, which I don't think you need to do. So this is how you do that assignment. Also, help each other out. You'll have this video. Hopefully that's helpful, but I also think it's helpful if someone is getting it in the classroom, help someone who's not getting it in the classroom. You guys do a really good job explaining it to each other. So hopefully I will see you before too long, and hopefully you have a good rest of the day. I will talk to you later. Bye.